Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete step-by-step installation of KeyShot Studio 2025 on macOS. This is a full installation and activation guide, from start to finish, so by the end of this video you'll have KeyShot Studio 2025 fully installed and running smoothly on your Mac without any errors. This method works on both Intel Macs as well as Apple Silicon devices, including the M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5 series. So no matter which Mac you're using, you can follow along easily. I recommend watching this video carefully till the end, without skipping any steps, because missing even a small step can cause installation or activation problems. Just follow along slowly, and your setup should work perfectly. Whether you're new to KeyShot or upgrading from an older version, this tutorial is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly so everyone can understand it. And if you face any issue during installation, activation, or while running the software, feel free to comment below and I'll do my best to help you. You can also contact us directly for support by scanning the QR code shown in the video. Just scan it using your phone and reach out anytime. So let's get started with the full installation of KeyShot Studio 2025 on macOS. Quick reminder, make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if you need personal help, just scan the QR code on the screen to contact us directly. So that's the complete process to download, install, set up, and activate KeyShot Studio 2025 on macOS. This method works smoothly on both Intel Macs and Apple Silicon systems, including the M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5 models, so you should now have KeyShot running successfully without any errors. If your installation was successful, let me know in the comments. It really helps and motivates me to make more tutorials like this. And if you faced any problem during installation or activation, just describe your issue in the comments, or simply scan the QR code on the screen to contact us directly for support. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope everything worked perfectly for you, and I'll see you in the next video.